Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I am with my brother and I am now in Cumilla Victoria College. So brother, why we are here?
Actually, you know that as a part of our practice, basically we go or we usually visit different kinds of institutions. As a part of our practice, basically we come here.
Okay, actually we try to make several types of videos in several places. We don't like to make videos in a single place as it is very monotonous. So brother, can you please describe me why we chose Cumilla Victoria College? Is there any importance of this college?
Yeah, thank you very much, Jahid. You know that Comilla Victoria College is very renowned in this region, and it is the oldest educational institution in Comilla region. So, not only for that, but also the atmosphere of Comilla Victoria College and the ground and the garden and the whole things of Comilla Victoria College. It's quite amazing. That's why we come here and we chose this place basically.
Okay. As we know that Cumilla Victoria College has two division. Is it right?
Comilla Victoria College has two division definitely. One is intermediate and another is honors level.
I know that Cumilla Victoria College is very historical. So what's the history behind this? Is there any history or when the college established?
Jahid, there is a very interesting things like the histories directly relate with this college. You know that this college established in British period, and the Queen Victoria approved the law to build up this college. That's why it's really important, and that's why we can say that history is relate with this college.
Okay, that means this college established in the British period.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, we know Queen Victoria is one of the most renowned person. Once upon a time, I thought that why this college name is Victoria College. I could not able to relate this, but after learning that when this college established at that time, I could easily realized, okay, this is the reason behind this. And British people, they actually do several types of things. They oppress our people, but at the same time they are doing some little good works, and I think establishing such type of college and widen the rail line and establish some university, all of these things are their positive works. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely, but sometimes they consider as the oppressor, but literally they did so many effective things like which is from where we have been getting privilege. So we have to acknowledge the things that British Emperor they have done so many things which is really impressive for Bengali origin. And you know that they also built a university like Dhaka University in 1921. You will be know, but Victoria College is older than Dhaka University. Can you imagine that Victoria College established in 1899? So this is the oldest educational institutions, and history is relate with these institutions definitely.
Okay, I think Cumilla Victoria College is the Dhaka College in this region in case of history or in case of its establishment. So actually we are practicing different types of things, and till now how much videos you captured from this area?
Yeah, already I captured 6 videos in this area, though you know that the scenario or the ground or the atmosphere of this college, it's really amazing. You know that, Jahid, I would like to mention one thing, that though I've been taking my higher study from Comilla University still 4 years, but I did not come here for a single time. And today when I entered into the college ground, then I was really astonished that how beautiful the ground is. So I can say that okay, anyone can visit here. And though already I made 6 videos, but I can say that oh my god, I'm thinking that okay, if I can make another video, that I will be feel very better. But you know that what can I do, because of making video in a single place, it's really monotonous that you have been talking at the very beginning of this video. So that's why we have to leave this place.
Yeah, another thing, this is actually same in case of me also. I have been studying here in Comilla University, or I stay in Comilla city for 3 years, but till now I never entered this college. For the first time I entered this college today, and I try to take several types of videos also. So I think the whole condition or the environment is quite good, and those people who try to visit this Comilla city, they also can visit this place. So that's all about today's video. Actually, we have to go another place for making some videos. So which place you prefer for me?
We can go in Comilla railway stations, because of that public place is very important to make yourself used to with English language, and when you will able to talk publicly, then I think in a certain time later you will get the ultimate privilege.
Okay, so see you in the Comilla railway station. Thank you everyone, those who watched my videos.